Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change Facebook page name on Facebook. Okay, so if you want to change Facebook page name, so what you have to do, just open the Facebook. Okay, I have opened this like this. Now I'm going to my page. Okay, so I'm going to switch to my page. So this is my, so now what I have to do, you have to just click on this profile pic. Okay, and then you have to go down. Okay, here you will see setting and privacy option. Just click on setting and privacy, then click on setting. Okay, so when you click on setting, here you will see page setup option. Just click on page setup, and then here you will see name. Just click on name. Okay, so here you will see if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. Okay, so you can change it from here, and then click on review change. Okay, submit for approval. So like this you can change your Facebook page name. Okay, so if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.